Once, the world spoke one language, and peace ruled the earth. But then, a simple act, one selfish choice, shattered it all. A termite, a hen, a snake, a stick, a storm. What began as a day of farming became the birth of conflict. This is not a children's tale. This is the ancient origin of discord, and the day peace left the world forever, and why wasps were never the same again. The origin of discord. In those days, the demon of division had not yet taken hold of the world. Everyone spoke the same language and lived in harmony. Even the slightest task was done collectively. It only required an invitation. One day, to help weed his millet field, the mason wasp invited a termite, a hen, a hawk, a hunter, a viper, a stick, fire, water, and the sun. The 9 guests divided the field into individual plots to cultivate according to the customs of the time. Once the plots were assigned, they began plowing with great effort. Sweat was pouring down, and the earth groaned under the blows of the shovels digging in all directions. It was a lively scene that looked like a festival. Sometime later, the termite found the best part of the hen, her direct neighbor. She protested, claiming that the termite mischievously left a part of his share for himself. But the termite did not listen to her and continued on his way. Furious at what she saw as an insult, the descendant of the gallinaceous birds snapped at her with a beak. That was all it took to stir up resentment in everyone's mind. The next day, the viper decided to attack the termite. It rose into the air and then suddenly swooped down, crashing to the ground. The hunter had just rendered justice to his unfortunate victim. However, at the moment of his death, the viper experienced a sharp pain. The snake acted before fleeing. But the reptile could not go far because of an act. It was a weak strike, a feeble bite. The stick spokesman, displeased, rushed to crush its head and immediately set the stick on fire. At that moment, the water, which seemed to be sleeping, rose high and fell again in the form of rain, drenching everything. The stick, all scorched, was already burned out. Then the sun entered with terrible anger. Shortly after, the mason wasp, who had gone to gather food for the guests, repaired her field. Seeing the disaster, she clutched her sides with her hands, and in frustration, her thorax almost separated from her abdomen. Since then, peace has left the earth, and wasps have become so slender and agile.